gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
We recently received the OPPO Find X9s Pro, specifically the 16GB V2 version in its original color. Let's unbox it and look at the accessories. Inside, there's a silicone phone case, the same feel as the Find X9 Pro's original case. Below is the phone itself. Set it aside for now. Inside, there's a data cable, a matching smiley face SIM card ejector tool, and an 80-watt fast-charging adapter.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Now let's look at the phone. This original color is the same as the Find X9 Pro's title. This is my first time using a phone in this color. I personally prefer lighter colors, but this original color is the kind that grows on you. It subtly shows a purple hue in different scenarios, like a touch of vibrancy within a hardcore tech aesthetic. Very sophisticated. It feels comfortable in my hand. The camera uses a unibody cold carving process to enhance the camera design without any noticeable sharp edges. The velvet texture of the back panel feels smooth and warm to the touch, and it doesn't attract fingerprints. The bezels on the front screen are also very narrow, only 1.1 millimeters. Being a dark color, the overall look of the front is quite uniform. The system also features a new gold badge, so you can look forward to it. I'll briefly talk about the lock screen. A lock screen island has been added. Previously, when it mimicked music, it looked like this. Now there's a dynamic glass-like capsule at the bottom. A light tap brings up the lock screen controller and progress bar, simultaneously displaying the album art and scrolling lyrics. Tapping the lyrics display in the upper right corner allows you to calmly view the lyrics, similar to Apple Music on the iPhone. If you prefer the old effect, a single tap on the screen returns you to the notification interface. Navigation also supports this lock screen island, allowing you to directly see your location and navigation route. If you find too many notifications, simply pull down and all notifications will be stored in the lock screen island. You can switch between notifications by swiping left and right, and it will no longer block my lovely wallpaper. The overall UI design is beautiful and elegant, and the smoothness is excellent. I didn't expect the Find X9s Pro's imaging system to be so pro. The main camera and telephoto lens are both 200-megapixel large sensor lenses, along with an ultra-wide-angle lens and a second-generation single-lens color reproduction lens. It's amazing how many flagship features are packed into such a small body. We'll discuss the Find X9s Pro in more detail after the phone is released. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments section and we'll answer them in later videos. And this is just first impression video. I will upload a detailed review after official launch on 21st of April. So if you're interested, subscribe to our channel and join our tech team. See you in the next video. Bye.